That is what our Endaru Mahanubhavulus. How many Mahatmas throughout Bharatadesha, my Guru Shri Anna, as Rupaji beautifully introduced, our Guru Shri Anna, he generally says Bharatadesha is the most Punya Bhumi because she has lot of gems, ratnas in her. What ratnas? Manikya, Vaidurya, Marakata, pearls, diamonds, emeralds, rubies? No. The spiritual gems as ratnas, Mahatmas. He has composed a grantha called Vaishnava Samhita, where he covers the stories of more than 500 to 600 Mahanubhavas. Endaru Mahanubhava, we are taking just 3 to 4 stories today. He has covered 600 to 700 stories of Mahatmas who lived throughout Bharatadesha. North, south, east, west, irrespective of Advaita or Dvaita or Visishtadvaita or Suddhadvaita or Achintya Veda Veda, irrespective of whether they belong to the Chaitanya Sampradaya or Nimbarka Sampradaya or Hitahari Vamsha Sampradaya or Adi Shankara or Ramanuja or Madhva, irrespective of that, the Sara, the essence is contentment and bliss through bhakti. Contentment and bliss through devotion. That is what this Kirtana Endaru Mahanubhavulu says. Samagana Lola. Samagana Lola. Manasi Jalavanya Danya Mudanyo. Who are Mahatmas? Because we never have a definition for a proper definition for a guru or a Mahatma. So here he says, those people are Mahatmas who revel in reciting the Nama, the name of the Lord, who revels in Samagana. Those people are Mahatmas who have Manasavana Charavara Sanchara Munilipi Murti. Whether you want to be dharmic or adharmic, just two roots. So here he says, those are Mahatmas who have conquered their Manasavana Chara. The monkey called the Panchendriyas, it just swings from one branch to another branch. Pull it. How do you pull it? By having the lotus feet of the Lord in your lotus heart. And music is a beautiful way. But caution, again, Tyagaraja Swami is very clear. This music is not just an art to entertain people. It is towards Paramartamagu Nijamargamuto. It is Paramartamagu Nijamargamuto. If it is towards Paramatma, then it is a Nijamarga. If it is towards showing off your talent in Swara Raga Laya, then it is just entertainment. So clearly he says, Padita Bhavanudane Parat Paruni Kurinchi. Parat Paruni Kurinchi. The music should be towards singing the glory of the Lord. Parat Paruni Kurinchi Paramartamagu Nijamargamudo Nupadu Tsunu Sallapamudo Swaralayadi Ragamula. You can show all the tempos and different tempos and anything, and to just showing off the talent is not the point. Nada sublime sound is an upasana marga. And those who do that are Mahatmas. Tyagaraja Swami says, how do we find them out? What kind of beads do they wear around their necks? Any tulasi mala or rudraksha mala? Or how do you find that out from the pundra or probably the vibhudi? Or how do you do that? Hariguna Manimaya Saramunugala Munashobhillu. They radiate devotion through Hariguna Manimaya. They wear the mala called Manimaya, means gems. The mala called Hariguna around their Gada Muna, around their necks. Which also means, Gada means throat. They sing the glory of the Lord. And probably if we say, nobody is there like that, nowadays nobody, can you even give me examples? Then he says, yes, of course I can give you a huge list. Parama Bhagavata Nipara Shashi Vibhakara Sanaka Sanandana Vigesha Surakim Purusha Kanakakashipu Sutta. Kanakakashipu is who? Hiranyakashipu. And Hiranyakashipu's Sutta himself, Prahlada. Narada Tumburu Pavana Sunu. Pavana is wind. The son of wind god? Hanuman. Bhalachandra, one who wears the crescent moon on his head, Shiva. Shuka, Shaunaka, all of these Maunis who do the Manana. Mananat Munihi. So there are so many people who Nee Menu Nama Vaibhavam Gunanu Nee Parakrama Dhairyamu Lashanta Manasamu Nee Vulanu Vachana Satyamunu Raghuvarani Edasad Bhakti Ujaninchaganu ದುರ್ಮದಮುಲನು ಕಲ್ಲ ಜೇಸಿ ನಟ್ಟಿ ನೀಮದಿ ನೆರಿಂಗಿ ಸಂತತಂ ಗುಣನು ಗುಣವದನಾನಂದ ಕೀರ್ತನము ಸೇಯುವಾರು ಎಂದರು ಮಹಾನುಭಾವ. Those who sing about your nama vaibhava, ನೀ ನಾಮ ವೈಭವಂ ಬುಲನು, ನೀ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮ, those who sing about your parakrama, the tongue talks about anything and everything other than his glory, the dharmic principles. So he says, those are Mahatmas who talk only about him and who take the positive essence like the bees sucking the honey alone without crushing the flowers. Because there are so many people who read the Bhagavata, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. He says in this next charana, the last charana, but they take and debate on all the asara, all that should be left out. He's been taken up as a very important subject and then doing research on that. And research. Bhagavata Ramayana Gita Dishruti Shastra Purana Marma Mulan. Know the secret. Know the philosophy behind that. Don't talk if you don't understand. And how do you understand? Premamu Perigono. Only through love. Love, only through love you can achieve anything. The worst enemies can turn into your best friends through love. Premamu, devotion, love. Bhakti is nothing but love. If you love your mother, it is called Madri Bhakti. If you love your father, it is called Pitru Bhakti. If you love your country, it is called Desha Bhakti. If you love the Lord, it is called Daiva Bhakti. So Bhakti is very simply defined as love.